Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos. I'm going to show you what I do for dinner. I'll take a second and I'll cook up a standard meal here and wherever I'm at. And you can see from behind me that I only have 2 burners in this place, a little sink and a little tiny refrigerator. No oven, no microwave, no stove, just those 2 burners back there. That's it. And so I'll show you what I do when I need something to eat and I want to cook in. This is it. Okay. Bye. Okay, everybody. This is Eric's travel videos. Actually, it's Eric's cooking channel now. So what I've done is I've got some olive oil that was left over from where the guy gave it to me or whatever, but it's in the place. And so I've got some garlic diced up and some onions, and I've got some chicken. And so I'm gonna fry all that up. And then I went to the grocery store and I got some bell peppers and some carrots, some ginger. What else did I get? Oh, more garlic, some zucchini, some lettuce, and tomatoes and more onions. And this is what I got to work with. So there's not a lot that you get, and I did find a lid, so I'm kind of happy about that. It was under the other cabinet, but anyway. So, and then I've got my tumbler, my 30-ounce tumbler of wine. So, it's really good stuff. And he brought it to me, my landlord. He said, "Welcome aboard." And this is it, and it comes with a cap. So it works perfect for Eric. So anyway, so here's what I got too in my refrigerator. Pretty exciting stuff, huh? I actually have things, hard-boiled eggs from Easter, but I guess I better eat those. Anyway, so this is where I'm gonna start. So I'll show you a little update here when I get closer. Bye, everybody. So I don't usually use ginger, but I guess I'm gonna give this a try. So I guess I'm just I'll dice up 3 pieces and cook them in the pan, and then I'll put 3 more in the stir-fry type steaming concoction. But so you can all scream at me when this is over with and let me know how wrong this was. Anyway, there's no shredder, there's no grinder, it's just going to be a diced concoction of, maybe I better have some more wine. Did I tell you how good that is? Okay, so I'm getting there. So I got I have to use my lid because I'm out of stuff. I don't want to use my plate. But I've got my onions done, my ginger done, my garlic done. I got my bell peppers done and my zucchini done. And I got my stuff bubbling and frying. So I guess I'm on base. I got to cut up my carrot and get it ready to go. And then we should be able to do the next step. And it's more wine time. Bye-bye. All right, my stuff's frying up pretty good. And I got my carrots cut. I got my pile of other stuff. Onions, bell peppers, or ginger and garlic are set. And pretty soon when this is done, I'll move all of the vegetables over to the skillet and see about frying it in olive oil for a little bit just to get it tender. And then when that looks like it's done, then what I'll do is I'll put this back in, and then I should be good to go. Who the hell knows? But you can't even see my wine in my glass, can you? Okay. Oh, there it is. Anyway, that's it. Back to cooking. Okay, it looks like my onions are getting a little opaque, so I guess they're about done. And I think the chicken's probably done enough. I can move it aside and start the next, start the vegetables. What do you guys think? It smells pretty gingery, but it's not bad. I guess I'm getting kind of excited about dinner. Okay. What do you think? Okay. All right, that's it. I guess I will start the vegetables. All right, so I think carrots are pretty dense, so I'm going to cook them for a little bit and see if I can get them softened up a titch, and then I'll add the rest of the vegetables. Yeah. Okay, well, we'll see how this goes. More wine, I know. Bye. Okay, all right, so I've got my vegetables cooking. Oh, and by the way, I forgot to tell you I had some broccoli. It was frozen broccoli, so I kind of defrosted it in hot water. I don't have a microwave. And I made sure it was not like saturated with water and stuff. And I threw that in there too. And so I'm gonna stir fry this for just a second, just to get it good and hot, and then I'll put the lid on it and get it all cooking. And then I guess when the zucchini gets kind of clear or whatever, I'll add the chicken, which is over there, waiting to go, and then I'll cook it all a little bit longer, and we'll see. And then we're gonna have bachelor surprise with wine. Bye. Okay, so we're steaming the vegetables and getting that all taken care of. My meat's ready to go. The dishes are done. Mom always taught me right. Clean as you go, boy. So anyway, so I guess I'm just gonna cook a little bit longer until those vegetables look a little, ooh, nice. Until they, until at least the zucchini is a little clearer and more tender, or tenderer, I guess is the correct word. And then I'll throw in the meat and cook it a little longer, and probably take the lid off and see if I can boil out some of the liquid. I might even slosh a little bit of my wine in there, but I don't know if I have any left. But anyway, that's that. So all is looking good. So I'm gonna have dinner and a movie. Bye-bye. Now I know you're jealous. Look at that. Well, that's looking like $1 million. I took the lid off because I've got a little bit of liquid in there I need to get rid of. So I'm gonna turn up the heat a titch and boil off that liquid. And then I'm gonna add my meat. And it looks like most of the vegetables are pretty close to being where they're supposed to be. And then I'm adding them chicken. Okay. And then, on top of that, I was trying to figure out what to watch. And I think I'm gonna watch Die Hard. How often do you get to see Die Hard and eat stir fry in Rovinj, Croatia? Looking out the window at a beautiful day. That's it. Okay. I'll come back. Bye-bye. Alrighty. So I've added the chicken and all of that and stirred it together. I added a little bit of the wine that the owner gave me. And I'm going to boil that off. You can see that condensing. I turned up the heat, so it's going to do that. I've got my wine still, and then for dessert, I thought I'd take a chance on vegetarian, which is just, it just makes me laugh every time I think of it. It's like spaghetti gummy worms, but it's apple. So, you know, what the hell, it's vegetarian, so I guess that means it's safe, huh? And Rovinj, that's where I'm at. I've got my dessert, I got my movie, I got my wine, I've got dinner. Okay, I'll come back when it's on the plate. Bye-bye. Yeah, I think most of the liquid is pretty much gone now, so maybe a minute more, and then it's dinner time. What do you think? You think it looks okay? Chicken, bell pepper, zucchini, onion, broccoli, ginger, carrots, garlic. I think we're about on base. Bye-bye. Okay, well, here we go. So here it is, finished and done, and I'm ready to start my movie. I got a little bit of wine left, and I'm on base. What do you think? And I got Black Betty playing in the background, and I guess I should turn her down or I'll be in trouble. But okay, that's it. Thanks for watching all these darn videos. Holy crap. What it takes to go to have dinner in a foreign country. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.